Tteokbokki is a representative street food in Korea with sundae, ramen, and kimbap.
떡볶이 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 떡.
The beginning of tteokbokki was made with meat, vegetables, and stir-fried duck in soy sauce during the Joseon dynasty. The present tteokbokki, which is made with gochujang, was made after the Korean War, and it is not in North Korea, but only in South Korea. Grandma Mabongnim went to the Chinese restaurant ceremony in 1953. She dropped duck into the jjajangmyeon by mistake, but it was good. From that moment, she thought about the gochujang sauce. She went back to her town Shindangdong and made gochujang tteokbokki with vegetables. Until 1970s, tteokbokki was a special food only in Shindangdong. However, it was introduced on a radio program. From that time, tteokbokki became national food in Korea. As you see the name of the tteokbokki, the main ingredient is duck, and the others are veggies, fish cakes, eggs, and ramen. Honestly, you can put anything you want. Basically, the sauce is made with gochujang, corn syrup, red pepper, and soy sauce. The history of tteokbokki is not long, so there are not many recipes, and also the variation of taste. But recently, there are so many recipes. You would think that the main ingredients are duck and gochujang. The mulyot is the most important ingredient. The secret recipe of street tteokbokki is mulyot. They literally pour it. Usually, it can be thought it is side ingredient, but honestly, it is essential. It adds spicy and sweet taste. Even though tteokbokki is a single food, Koreans don't eat only tteokbokki. Fried food, sundae, kimbap, and fish cakes. Usually kimbap, tteokbokki, sundae. We call kim tok sun. Yeah, I lied. Kim tok sun is over. Over? There are many tteokbokki snack bars are not selling kimbap in these days. I think the reason is kimbap is pain in the ass in making compared to the other things. Anyway, tteokbokki, fried, sundae are popular. We call tteok twi sun. That is the thing we like. Usually, tteok is translated to rice cake, so maybe they think it is soft, but that is not true. It tastes more like chewy. I heard that Western people are not familiar with street food, so when you eat tteokbokki for the first time, maybe you would think it's weird. In Korea, we still have some images that tteokbokki is street food, but in some Asian countries, it's like eating out food or restaurant food. It's like pasta is home food in Italy, but not in Korea. In NRG Texans Stadium, they used to sell tteokbokki. In a survey, 21.3% of female eat tteokbokki when they are stressful. Tteok is a form of
carbohydrate
and also a lot of corn syrup, which determines the taste. It's full of sugar and lots of sodium. Please do not eat tteokbokki for diabetic. It's not good for your health. But as you know, delicious food is not good for your health. There's a funny judicial precedent. Fish cake in tteokbokki and fish cake topped with tteokbokki sauce are different. Of course, totally. In Shindangdong, there's a tteokbokki town and there are more than 10 tteokbokki stores. There are two factions, rice duck faction with duck faction, like the controversy of how to eat 탕수육. Originally, it was rice duck, but people started to make duck with the cheaper ingredient. Wheat. Rice duck has chewy and firm texture, but it takes time for being marinated with sauce. Wheat duck is more soft and easily marinated for cooking. In a survey, female prefer to wheat duck and male prefer to rice duck. I told you the history of tteokbokki is short, but now there are so many types of tteokbokki. We just put ramen noodle on tteokbokki, but for Korean, it's totally different food. Tteokbokki cooking on the table by myself is also totally different one for us. Cooked one, cooking by myself. If you said, let's have tteokbokki and went to improvised store, that makes people misunderstand. At first, choose between several types of tteokbokki. Normally, there are cheese, seafood, bulgogi, veggie, jjajang. The main of an improvised tteokbokki is side ingredients. We should be careful for choosing among ramen, jjolmyeon, udon, fish cake, eggs, dumplings, sausages, extra cheese, fried rice. The Netflix show Somebody Feed Phil. Phil visited Shindangdong and had improvised tteokbokki. Oil tteokbokki is made with only oil, duck, and sauce. They have only two types, soy and spicy. Carbonara tteokbokki is made with cream sauce, like cream pasta.
cheese tteokbokki.
After cooking, we top mozzarella cheese. They are going to cool your tongue from spicy and make food delicious. Honestly, many Korean is crazy on cheese and they put cheese on every food, not only tteokbokki. Snack bars in front of school are selling this. The price starts from 500 won, 50 cents. This is tteokbokki snacks. Taste like tteokbokki, but it just imitates tteokbokki. The taste is sweeter like the other snacks.
Normally, the price of street tteokbokki is from $2 to $3. But these days, some franchise restaurants makes big size tteokbokki so that people can eat together. It costs almost $12. Yeopdeok is the start of high price and
Archaeopteryx.
of super spicy tteokbokki. Many spicy and high priced tteokbokki franchise came from this. You can easily find Yeopdeok mukbang on YouTube. They are not only famous with spicy, but also the taste is good, so they put mild one too. She's a YouTuber who only review tteokbokki. I saw her before and she was wearing red one piece. Korean delivery company Baedal Minjok held Tteokbokki Master Festival. Participants had to take an exam of tteokbokki. People who passed the exam could only buy ticket of festival. And I was there. At the festival, we should take an exam again. The questions are 60. They were all about tteokbokki. And we need to find out ingredients after tasting tteokbokki. The winner got a prize for free order of tteokbokki for a year. There is no fixed plate, but when we think tteokbokki is always on the green melanin plate. In Korea, we have tteokbokki buffet. Various sauce, ducks,
Side ingredients are prepared.
we have to cook by ourselves. The price is $8 per person. When we eat spiced tteokbokki, we can't drink anything. But drinking kupis is national rule for Korean. They have pineapple, peach flavors. An office worker posted on the internet that she is having tteokbokki on coffee tumbler. The boss said, "You really love coffee." From this meme, coffee franchise Tom and Tom's launched sneaky tteokbokki on disposal coffee cup. K-pop group EXO member Chanyeol posted his tteokbokki recipe on his SNS. Even though it was so easy, people said it was delicious. So easy. In Korean TV show Master of Life, a master who worked more than 40 years opened her own recipe. First, make broth with only hind leg lean meats of pork, onions. Second, remove smells of pork with curd mallows. Third, put foot of jujubes and boil. Fourth, put broth on red pepper. Fifth, make clear pork fat oil. Sixth, ripen for a week. 7. Sauce is done. 8. Do not try. Good!